Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about the Minglish sewing machine. How much is it worth it, and how to use it. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional dressmaker. Beginner pa lang din po ako. So, isi-share ko lang sa inyo yung experience ko and kung paano ko siya ginagamit. So, I bought this from Shopee. It's only 319 pesos. So I will put the link in the description box. This machine comes with a foot pedal, adapter, bobbins, threader, and needle, extra needle. Let's move on to the parts of the sewing machine. Start muna tayo dito. This is the power supply socket, foot pedal socket, speed button, on and off switch. This is the hand wheel. Siya yung nagko-control pataas, pababa ng needle. Next is the bobbin spindle. Tension screw. If the stitch is too tight or loose, dito mo siya i-adjust. This is the thread spindle. Take up lever. This is thread fixing ring. Needle clamp screw, bobbin cover plate, and presser foot, bottom bobbin, and the needle. Let's move on how to put the thread. Okay, this is the bobbin spindle. Dapat sundin mo yung step kasi pag hindi, masisira yung machine. Next, turn the hand wheel counterclockwise para ma-pick up yung thread. Kita nyo? Na-pick up din na yung thread. There are two options when using the machine with foot pedal or the on and off switch. But don't use the on and off switch and foot pedal at the same time. In my case, I will use the foot pedal. Mas madali kasing i-control yung stitches kesa sa on and off switch. So, kung baguhan pa lang kayo, katulad ko, ito muna yung gamitin nyo. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Okay. Presser foot. Next, lock the stitch before and after using. Baka kasi matanggal, open nyo tayo. Ito na po yung tahi niya. Dito siya sa likod. Yan na. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned from this video. I hope you like it. And if you have some suggestions or clarification, just leave a comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Rafael Antihero, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I will see you next time. Bye!